Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and without saying a word, everyone just notices them? Not because they're wearing something loud or extravagant, but because everything about their look feels right. There's a quiet confidence, a certain presence, and you can't quite explain it, but you feel it. The truth is, it's not about having more clothes. It's about knowing how to choose and style the right pieces in a way that instantly elevates you. Number 1. Minimal tassel and pendant necklaces. Bold, heavy statement necklaces no longer give that polished and elevated look, especially in spring. Style naturally shifts toward lighter, cleaner pieces, and your accessories should reflect that same direction. This is exactly where tassel and pendant necklaces come in. A long, minimal necklace can instantly make even the simplest outfit look more refined and intentionally styled. It's not just an accessory. It also works visually to elongate your silhouette in a very subtle way. Number 2. Heeled mules. Heeled mules are one of those pieces that completely change the energy of an outfit. The moment heeled mules come in, everything feels more elevated and intentional. If you really want that refined, elongated effect, pointed toe-heeled mules are on another level. They visually extend the line of your leg, making you look taller and more polished without needing a high heel. Number 3. Elevated basic tops. None of these outfits rely on loud pieces to stand out. Instead, the magic comes from how the basics are designed. A simple top is no longer just a simple top. It's slightly draped, softly structured, asymmetrical, or detailed in a way that quietly elevates everything. You're still wearing basics, but they don't look basic anymore. Number 4. Silk trouser styling. Silk trousers are one of those pieces that instantly make you look more elevated without you even trying. The fabric itself moves differently, catches the light, and gives that soft, luxurious feel. For daytime, keep it simple with a tee or a tank, but for the evening, swap for a sleek blouse or a tailored blazer. Suddenly, the same trousers transform into a polished, elegant outfit. Number 5. Clean, effortless jeans. Start removing the pieces that are quietly ruining your look. Ripped jeans or overly tight skinny fits can instantly make an outfit feel less refined. Instead, shifting toward cleaner, more timeless options like straight leg or relaxed fits. White denim in particular has that fresh, effortless elegance. It gives that clean, expensive appearance without trying too hard. Number 6. Styled looks with a wrapped sweater. Another simple trick that instantly elevates your outfit is wrapping a sweater around your shoulders or tying it around your waist. Especially when worn over the shoulders, it creates a soft, classic silhouette that gives that timeless European-inspired look. Number 7. Elevated look with sunglasses. Sunglasses are one of those details that instantly change how an entire outfit feels. Without them, even a well-put-together look can feel slightly unfinished. Whether you're wearing a basic white tee or a tailored blazer, adding sunglasses brings everything together instantly. It makes your outfit feel more considered and confident. Thanks for watching video, and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.